Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to KUCOIN. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and then you need to simply log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description because currently the 8,000 USDT bonus reward is going on. So if you create your account over here with my link, you can win up to 8,000 USDT here as a sign-up bonus. So once you are in your MEXC account, simply tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner, select the withdraw option and from here select USDT. After that, select the option of on-chain withdrawal and you will see this type of page in front of you. Now once you do this, it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address which you are going to get from KUCOIN. So simply launch your KUCOIN application and from here you just have to simply tap on the deposit option and select your crypto that is USDT. Then you need to select the network. It can be any ERC20, TRC20, BEP20. So after selecting the address, you will see your QR code as well as the deposit address which you need to copy from here. Then go back to your MEXC account and paste that in this section. In the network, you need to select the same network that you have selected in your KUCOIN account. Afterwards, you will have to provide the withdrawal quantity. You need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. You can skip the remark option, then tap on the confirm option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review your details, make sure that the network is correct and the address that you have provided is also correct. Once everything is good, you need to simply confirm your transaction again, and once your transaction is completed successfully, within just 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to receive your USDT from MEXC to your KUCOIN account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.